Hello, I am Diego. I am the designer of the Bukobot 3D printer, as you can see. And right now I'm printing the Bukobot fly, is what I call it. And the reason I call it the Bukobot fly is that I use this design that I created to kind of test how thin I could make the layers run on the Bukobot. Right now I have a slice setting of each layer is 0.1 millimeter, and these wings that I printed here are so thin that you could pretty much see through with this. It's pretty see through with this PLA plastic material. As you can see, and let me see if I could zoom in here to see how really thin these wings are. There you go. Let's see if that gives you an idea of how thin. It's kind of hard to film this, but very, very thin. Very thin layers, very clean. Right now it's printing pretty slow, the tail, so that way it doesn't get all smushy. From too much heat, from too many, because it's such a tiny little piece that it needs to print out. So it's just going slow, just enough to where it cools down enough so the previous layer doesn't get too smushy. Anyways, I'm going to take this out when it's done, and hopefully I'll have some time to go to the park and see if it flies. Alright, so here's the finished Bukobot fly, and I put a little weight right here. It's just a little screw, just to put a little weight on the front. I balanced it out. It should be about right there, should be balanced. And let's try it out really quick. Alright, here we go. We're going to launch it here in the living room. There's not a lot of room, but should fly pretty cool. And here we go. Oh. Cool. Alright. Well, there you have it. The Bukobot fly. It actually flies. One piece 3D printed airplane.